Not many types of machines have the capacity to access and clean hard-to-reach areas. This is one problem that has necessitated the use of pressure washers. These are efficient cleaning machines that will save you much, both on the time and effort needed to accomplish your cleaning tasks. In the following review, we will take a look at some of the top 4000 psi pressure washer. Number 1. Simpson PS4240S PowerShot 4200 psi 4.0 GPM gas pressure washer. The PS4240 is a top gas pressure washer from Simpson and operates on a Honda GX 390 OHV engine. This commercial engine series has the benefit of easy start, high output and quiet operation. It incorporates 4200 psi with a 4 gallons per minute flow rate. The CAT Industrial Triplex pump is also a great add-on to this model. The head is made from forged brass, which can withstand even high pressure. There is also a thermal relief system, which effectively provides protection from high temperature, among other things. Meanwhile, its chassis is made from 100% aluminium. For this reason, it is lighter than those that are made from steel. It can also resist corrosion and oxidation. Number 2. Generac 6565 4200 psi 4.0 GPM. If you want a pressure washer to be powerful, you should pick one that is powered by gas. They can be louder in terms of the noise that they create, but they can perform better even in the most demanding tasks. One of the reasons why this is powerful is because of its 4 GPM flow rate. In terms of its motor, the unit is powered by a Generac 420cc OHV engine. This extra powerful engine makes it a beast while exerting all the effort. With this engine, it does all the work and hence, fatigue can be minimized with its use. Similar to its engine, the pump is also designed to be long-lasting. The pistons are ceramic coated to deliver long-term functionality. The design of the spray gun is also worth noting since it is comfortable and user-friendly. The nozzles are easy to change, depending on the intended application. The trigger is also easy to pull. Plus, the grip is designed with a cushion for your comfort. Number 3. Briggs Stratton 20507 Elite Series 4.0 GPM 4000 psi pressure washer. This model has a flow rate of 4 GPM, which is quite common in most of the 4000 psi pressure washers. Its power is derived from its OHV 420cc engine. It can deliver 21 foot-pounds of gross torque, which is one more thing indicative of the fact that it can indeed deliver powerful performance. One of the notable features that you can find in this product is the detergent injection system. The water and the cleaning solution will be mixed in an instant, which will make cleaning quicker and easier. To add, it also has 12-inch never flat wheels. You do not have to worry that it will deflate or that it will have holes from hitting sharp edges on the ground. Like the machine itself, the wheels are built to withstand the test of time. There are also built-in accessory compartments. This will make it easy to keep your things organized and will provide you with easy access to the accessory that you will need to complete a task. Click the link below to buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel for more reviews.